In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your cheesecloths. So there are two types of cheesecloth. This is the loose weave cheesecloth that I use. It is see-through and I use it for pressing harder cheeses. And then there is the butter muslin or the tight weave cheesecloth, which is this one, and it's used for draining soft cheeses like cream cheese and stuff like that. So how do you clean them when they're particularly dirty? So if your cheesecloth is particularly dirty, then what I normally do is just soak it in the sink in just some water and a little bit of vinegar overnight, just in case. And then I take it to the washing machine. So just a standard washing machine. We've got a front loader. It's very water efficient, which is good. And it's got some simple settings on it. And we'll just pop it in the machine. We just throw it straight in there. Shut the hatch. I never wash it with anything else. And then turn it on. Turn it down to express. Oops, that one. And set the temperature to cold. And we're going to start it in a minute. But before I do that, I've just got to put some vinegar in this bit. What's that called? Fabric softener bit. So we pull the fabric softener tray out. This is the bit here, and I simply fill it full of white vinegar. Nice and simple. Close that up, and then we hit the start button. And away she goes. So it's doing what it has to do in there, and then we'll come back when it's all finished in 30 minutes. So once it's finished, all we have to do is simply hang it up. There it is, all hung up in the laundry, and that'll dry in a couple of hours. Then I'll pack it away in a Ziploc bag for use for next time. So before you use it for cheese making, what I normally do is I boil all of my equipment, including the cheesecloth, as you can see there, in water for 15 minutes, and that will kill off any molds or yeasts that may be on the cheesecloth between the washing time and the time you get to use it. So I'd be very interested to know how you clean your cheesecloths. Let me know in the comments below. Now, it's a reusable item. Obviously, you can use it over and over again. I use mine many times before I throw them into the compost bin, or use them for cloth banding. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.